Using social media is increasingly popular in public, and everyone needs social media that brings benefit and problem to the public. The effects provided by social media are not felt directly by its users. So, 10 minutes ahead, I'm Tia Hanadiniasti will present research receiving message of technological determinism in the documentary film The Social Dilemma, analysis of reception in teenagers. Background this study is the negative impact that is given and felt by social media users and has an impact on the surrounding environment, which we can see through the high number of mental disorders due to the use of social media, the spread of fake news in the community through the dissemination of information on social media, reduced direct interaction in real life, as well as a lack of public awareness of how to use and the effects of social media. In this study, the author used the documentary film The Social Dilemma as the object of research. This film shows another side of social media that's unknown user. This study focused on the audience position on receiving the message of technological determinism in the film The Social Dilemma. The literature in this study is mass communication theory, in which mass communication is a type of communication between scattered, heterogeneous, anonymous people using print media or electronic media to desire their message can be received by destination quickly and simultaneously. Next literature, documentary film in mass communication, where documentary film have been considered a pure reality and are shown in audiovisual form as another representation of reality. Next, determinism technology is the existence of human events or activities from the impact of technological development. And as an analytical tool in this research is reception theory thought. This theory categorizes the audience of receiving the message of a media based on 3 points. The dominant hegemonic position, the negotiate code position, and the opposite code. This study used qualitative research through description method with a reception analysis theory thought. Based on formulation of problems, the research want to know how the audience received the message of determinism in the documentary film The Social Dilemma. In addition to the data college, it may have the potential to become a research key. While the reception theory thought explain the meaning and creating experience through interaction with media such as video, film, and television program. This reception theory focus on audience experience and the formatting of meaning based on the audience experience. This research uses a purposive sampling technique to take sample from data source where the research has criteria. Sampling is done on a limited basis to obtain the desired information through the research capture source. In this study, the author used judgment sampling because of the selections of sample against the focus of research conducted by the author. In this study, the research show a cut of the documentary film The Social Dilemma as many as 14 scenes to be interpreted by the informant. After that, the decoding in this study was carried out by research conducting interview with informant to get the meaning of the message obtained by informant in the documentary film The Social Dilemma. The author asked two questions with general and specific categories relate to the scene provided by the author to informant to ensure an understanding of technological determinism in the film The Social Dilemma and credibility of the informants. The author wants to know the informant position on the film based on reception theory thought includes dominant, negotiation, and opposite position. The author gives general and specific questions that are asked to informant to find out how the audience accept the message of determinism in the documentary film The Social Dilemma. The following include questions posed per scene to informant which can be accessed on link. Triangulation on the credibility testing is done by examining data from various sources in various ways and at various times. At the time of data collect, the study made decisions based on qualitative data analysis that could be carried out interactive, gradually, and continuously. until the data was saturated. So every question asked by the author to the informant would be like a repeat question to confirm the location reception theory from the informant. At the time of research, the author often received inconsistency in the answer from informant. So a sub-analysis question was needed to categorize the informant in the reception theory total. From the result of the research that has been done, 5 out 14 informants occupy the dominant hegemonic position. The informant agree with the message of technological determinism conveyed in the scene without objection, where the informant realized that there were similarities in the message conveyed in the scene. 6 out of 14 informants occupy the negotiate code position. The informant dominate this position through the meaning, who understand what is conveyed and is dominantly defined and what is meant by the media. However, there is a mixture of adaptive and selective elements in agreeing on the meaning and information conveyed by the media. The audience has therefore by combining their truths based on the event of the experience of the informant. 3 out of 14 informants occupy the opposite code. They understand the meaning of the message implied in the dominant code. However, they have contradictive interpretation of what the received story presents by the films. And last, informant age 17 years old with a high school education background have more understanding of technological determinism than the other informant. Okay, this research concludes that informant can receive and understand the message of the technological determinism conveyed in the documentary film The Social Dilemma, and can interpret the form of technological determinism from the show Prison. Student in 17 years old, informant with a high school education background, understand the message better than other informant because the informant have closeness and experience similar to what is shown in the film. 5 out of 14 informants took the position in dominant hegemonic position. 6 out of 14 informants in the negotiate code position. And 3 out of 14 informants held the position of the opposite code. Recommendation from the next research is that the data collect technique using the in-depth interview method is considered more effective in this study because the research can understand the message meaning clearly from the informant. Interview conducted online also have several barriers due to the condition of the internet network sometimes unstable, making the interview process take longer. Therefore, it suggests that it's better to conduct interview directly so that time used in short media wisely and carefully. Thank you so much for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.